Hello Quillers, thanks for stopping by. This is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Crafts. In today's video, we are going to make typography on letter U. You can see the process of how I quill this letter on a little time-lapse video. I made this project as an entry to Quill with Agnes challenge. This challenge is provided with some color palette each week on my Instagram page Agnes Paper and Crafts. All you need to do is to find the colors from your paper and start to quill any design that you need. It can be anywhere from a quill earring or an on-edge project. Choosing colors makes or breaks a work. And I struggle hard on it, so this challenge is to help fellow quillers who come across the same issue on choosing colors. I first try to sort out the colors that match the palette and then start to quill. The good thing is it is not necessary to use all the colors in the palette. You can choose some 3 colors and start to work. You can check my other similar videos like 10 plus tips and tricks on on-edge quilling, tips and tricks on quilling letters tutorial, and so much more in my channel. You can visit my Instagram to join this weekly fun challenge anytime, which helps us bring our ideas into beautiful outcome. Hope you enjoyed this. Keep watching.